Hello and welcome everybody. My name is Jerry and you're watching 3DHP. Today we have Molazon water washable resin. They contacted me over on Facebook, sent it right out, and they'd like me to try it. And I've got two 1,000 milliliter bottles, one of standard resin and then I've got one of water washable. I've never reviewed water washable resin before or tried it. So today we're going to be checking it out. So one thing really nice I noticed on the bottle is that on the side here, they've got recommended settings for LCD printers, RGB, mono, and DLP. They've got recommended slicer settings, which is very cool. I'm going to go ahead and use my typical settings that I normally use on my Anycubic Photon Mono X. But it's very nice on the bottle to have that right there, so you don't have to wonder about certain settings, what you need to do. So let's get the video started and let's print some goodies. And here we are, guys, at buyresins.com. Molazon resin. They've got standard rigid resin, ABS-like resin, special engineering resin, and water washable. Today we're going to be testing out their water washable resin. And I see a Kaiwu printer back there. I have that. Just wondering if the companies are related. I'm not sure. But that's their website. Let's see, let's go back up here to the top. Let's go over on resins. I looked on Amazon. I did not find this company on Amazon. Dentures. I need dentures. If I only had the proper software to make them. And what are we going to be printing today? Let's see. First off, I'm going over to malix3design.com. And he also has a Patreon here, which has an awesome deal if you join his Patreon. And we're going to do the flash bust. I'll scale it up to like, I don't know, 260% or so. Have to see what fits in my Anycubic Photon Mono X. But it's amazing, excellent quality. Hopefully it'll come out that great. I'm sure it will. See how the resin does. He does have pre-sliced files, but I'm going to place them myself, orient them, and I'll print the head first and then a base second. And my second print, let's see, Modbot has an awesome channel over on YouTube, Daniel from Modbot, and here's his little mascot here. Got this off of thangs.com, and I'm going to print me a Modbot. Let's see how big I can make it. Oh, I don't know, this is 100% scale. I'll see if I can go like 200% scale. So that'll be really cool. To print me a little Modbot, and then in a later video or something I can get it painted. And my third print is going to be from Chaos Cortec, Little Big Head, Starro, from Suicide Squad 2. Great movie. I'm not sure how to, there we go, rotate it. But yeah, Thangs has a zillion great files here. And on your iPhone, you can even download, what's it called? Augmented reality, where you can actually see the print on your phone as if it's sitting on your desk or wherever. It's really a cool feature. I've never tried it on my phone. I'm usually on my PC. But it's very interesting. Very interesting. So I'm currently using CheetahBox Pro version 101, I believe it is, and let's start slicing up the models. I'll show you some pictures here, and then we'll get to printing. There, safety cap is off. Be sure you shake up your resin very well. Give it a shake, shake, shake very well. Shake it for, I don't know, 20, 30 seconds. Shake it up very well. And let's pour it in the vat. And I've got a fill line on my Anycubic Photon Mono X here, so it's kind of a light gray in color. I'm going to take it up to the fill line. That's pretty good. And now we're going to get to printing some goodies. well, we're all done, guys. The Molazon resin did an amazing job. That's my first time with water washable resin. But you can see there on Flash, I didn't scrub it all off around his nose when I was cleaning him. Kind of looks like he has a runny nose. But yeah, the prints came out amazing. The Flash, Modbot came out awesome. Looks really good. And then Starro from Chaos Tour Tech came out amazingly well. So, yeah, no issues with it so far. And be sure when you dry out your prints, whether you shake them out really good, if you hollow them and let them dry overnight before curing, or use an air compressor in my garage like I did, or use your airbrush gun, use the air feature on it with no paint, obviously, and you completely dry out your models before you cure them. Be sure they're 100% dried off. And when you put holes in, if you put 4 millimeter or above, good size holes in them, then I showed you in a prior video how I took a little UV light and I actually stick it in the model so I can cure them on the inside if I need to. So, yeah, but be sure they're 100% dried out. That way you don't have your model explode on you. You're thinking, well, whoa, why'd my model blow up? Get them completely dried out on the inside before you cure them on the outside, and you shouldn't have any issues. So please like, subscribe, share the video, and next we'll be coming right back. We're going to have Molazon Standard Rigid Resin. That will be my next video, guys. So thank you very much for watching, and happy resin printing.